Hello, you're welcome. Today I want us to dive through a very interesting topic. Have you ever thought about having a single map visual on a page and then just drilling through using a slicer where you just say, okay, at the national level, I just want to click national level, and then I go to a province level, and then the same map changes its save files and provide province level. Then I go to district level, and I just click on the district level, and I can go as much deeper level as I can, provided I have the save files of the different levels that are available on a single report page. Because if you try to do this with multiple map visual on this report page, it will be very overcrowded, and you find out that somebody will want to create 10 different maps on the same report page. So you think about it this way, that you have one slicer and then you do everything. And if that is your interest, please stick with me on this video. Let's go through. I will just go through some of the steps, and if you have any challenge, you can put it on the comment section, and then I can make another video. We can discuss. You can even go to me, contact me one-on-one. We can go through this. However, for now, let's dive into this video. Well, of all the visuals that are provided, I like Icon Map. I'm not doing any promotion. I think Icon Map has developed something very excellent. You can check on their website, that is iconmaps.com, and then check through a lot of things that they have developed, a lot of very interesting things. So you can download Icon Map from here, or you can download it straight from the app stores here. So you can just click on that, get more visual, and then, yep, you download your Icon Map. So Icon Map tried to solve this problem, but not in a way I'm trying to illustrate here. If you look at what Icon Map tried to solve this problem, it's very excellent, very good idea, but I have my challenges with that. And I'm gonna show you also the challenges that I have with that in here. So Icon Map, the way Icon Map tried to solve this problem is they provided under the GeoJSON list here, they provided where you can put the number of levels. So you can increase the number of levels as many as you can, like 7, 8 levels, 2, 3, 4 levels, and then you put all the link to the save files of the different levels inside the GeoJSON URL. However, my challenges that comes with that is, if you started to drill down, number one is the users, the category of users that are available might not understand the function of these things here straight away on the fly. So they need some orientation on how to go about this. But some of the users, we might not get in touch with them to orient them on how to drill down these things. So if you click on that drill down, you can drill down per individual saves, or you can actually drill down as a whole. But if you notice keenly, if I go up one step and I drill down on Upper Nile, all the sub-regions and sub-district that comes with that comes with the name of Upper Nile. And this is really not nice. I don't like that. That is number one. Then number two, if I drill down on this, you see, all the sub-regions, but somebody who is not familiar with this location will want to know what is the name of this district. So it comes with the name up there, and those are the two challenges I have with this. One, it is hidden, and two, is with the naming convention, and if this can be improved, it will be excellent. So now let's get back to the way I'm trying to solve it here. So what I'm trying to do here is to do what Icon Map does, but in an open space. So we have this here. With just a single line of code, we are done fixing this. So let's get into it. I will show you a step-by-step on how to go around this. So the first step is step number one, make sure you download Icon Maps. How do we download Icon Maps? We come to Get More Visual. You click on Get More Visual. It will take you through getting more visual, load all the visuals that are available, and then you just click, you just type there, Icon Map. So it's this one. So you just click on this and then add. When I already have mine here, so I'm not going to add that. So once you add your Icon Map, what you have to prepare now is the link to your save files, because this requires, the challenge with this is it requires your save file to be hosted somewhere. So if you have challenges in hosting your save files, let me know. There are a lot of free options that are available. using GitHub. Myself, I'm hosting mine on GitHub. It's free. You just have to have an account. So I have all my URLs on the GitHub. So if you check through, these are my URL on GitHub. So my Shapefiles URL, so hosted on my GitHub, that is with my name there. So you can have all this hosted. So what we're going to do with this is, we already know our URLs. Number one, we have to create a custom URL. So I've already created one here, custom URL. I'm just going to explain to you. It's nothing big. It's just a single two-line of code. Number one is we are using the slicer here. If you check through, we have a slicer that is this slicer. And this slicer is picking its data from the same administrative level. So inside the administrative level, if you look at the data table here, the administrative level here just contain which one this Abienum, is it, what administrative level is it? Is it a district? Is it a province or whatever it is? It's a long data, but this is the way I model the data, but you can model it in any other different way that you want. So you can have it as a long table or as a wide table or whatever way you want it. And then, yeah, just think around those areas. But however, here I model it as a long data. So this slicer is the one that is having the administrative level. So it's either district, national, or province. So once I put this slicer, I just come now here on this URL, and I tell, with two lines of code, if the selected value in the slicer administrative level is equal to district, so use this URL for, this is the URL for admin 2. District is an admin 2 in our country. Or it's called county, by the way. I'm just using district because it's more familiar in African region. And then if the selected value there is a province, this is the URL. You use this URL. However, if not, the else statement, which means it is admin 0 at the national level. That is just all that you need. So instead of putting now, if you come to GeoJSON now here on the SAP, instead of using 3 different administrative levels here, I just put one level and then put the GeoJSON to be a conditional. So I just come from a field value and then use the URL, that the custom URL that I created. You get the trick. So once I use that, which means now my URL is based on the selection here. My Shapefiles URL is based on the selection here. So if I select district, the URL automatically will change in the background to district. If I select province, the URL will automatically change to province. I think this is just the way I try to run about this. But however, if you're new to Icon Map, and it will also be a pleasure to create a whole video on how to use icon maps and how to run around icon maps and how to do everything around icon maps into detail. I can go through that. And thank you so much for sticking to this. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I think I'm trying to grow. I'll appreciate that. Thank you. Bye-bye.